Hello, welcome to Mia's Yummy World. Today's video is a super quick and easy chocolate fudge cake that you can make with just 2 ingredients. You don't need an oven as we are steam baking the cake. Thanks for viewing, and if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll get notifications of all new easy recipes posted on this channel. Let's get started. Here I'm boiling water in a deep pan with a coaster in the middle. This is sort of preheating the pan to bake our cake. Close it with a lid and let the water boil. After that, I'm preparing a baking dish. Here I'm using a thick glass tray. Spray the butter, put the baking paper and spray with butter again for perfect non-stick baking. Spread the butter all over the dish, and that's our baking tin prepared. Keep it aside, and into your mixie bowl or a blender jar, add 2 packets of chocolate sandwich biscuits. I'm using Oreo here. Add 2 full packets of the biscuit into the mixie jar, or you can also use your blender jar or even your food processor. Grind the biscuits into a fine powder like this. So it's finely powdered now, and into this add 250 ml of full cream milk. It can be at room temperature, and just a teaspoon of baking soda. Blend it all together, and now we have a perfect batter. Pour it into the prepared cake tray and tap the tray a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Steam cook the cake in the preheated pan. Cover the lid of the pan with a cloth so that the water drops won't fall on the cake while cooking. Steam the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes depending on your hope, on low to medium flame. Check in between and add more water if required. Cake is ready when a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean like this. Let the cake fully cool down before removing from this cake tray, then invert it into a cake plate. A soft and delicious gooey fudge cake is ready. It's perfect to enjoy it just like that, but to make it even better, I'm drizzling chocolate sauce over the cake. You can also use melted chocolate for this. Spread the chocolate all over the cake like this. And then I'm adding some white chocolate Milky Bar buttons on top of the cake. You'll have to give this cake a try because it's so easy, so delicious and chocolatey. Your kids and all your loved ones will surely enjoy this. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you like this cake. If so, please hit the like button for me and share this video. Please remember to click the subscribe button, and see you very soon with yet another easy and tasty recipe. Until then, take care and enjoy life.